Welcome! Today I'm going to show all available methods or all possible methods to check an IMEI number on an iPhone. So the quickest method is to open the keypad or dial pad and input the *#06# secret code. And here are both the IMEI numbers that are assigned to your iPhone. If you're curious if you're curious about the reason behind you having two IMEI numbers, even though the SIM card tray has only one slot for a SIM card, well, the answer is that one is assigned to the physical SIM card and another one is for the eSIM or virtual SIM card, if you will. So another universal method to see your IMEI number is to launch Settings. Here, find and enter the general category. Next, go ahead and open the About section. And if you will scroll down a little, you'll find both IMEI 1 and IMEI 2 numbers here. What else? Another good and rock solid method to see your actual IMEI number is to take the packaging or box your iPhone came in. Here is mine for reference. And on it, each individual box gotta have the same sticker that has all the crucial information and specifications printed in, such as EID, serial number, and what is more important to us today, both IMEI 1, let me focus my camera, both IMEI 1 and IMEI 2 numbers as well. And moreover, there is also another fourth method to see your IMEI number, but unfortunately it will work only if your iPhone model is 13 or older. So on the iPhone 14 you will not be able to check using the method that I'm about to show, but for example on the iPhone 12 and older models, you will be able to use this method as well. So this one is a 15 model, so for reference I have the iPhone 12 in front of me. Is it? Yep, it's iPhone 12. So in order to use this method, you will need to take some kind of injection tool or a needle and take the SIM card tray out of your iPhone like that. And then if you will orient the SIM card tray upwards like that, you'll see that here there is a barely visible number that is your physical IMEI. Or actually, my bad guys, I'm so sorry, I have mentioned the wrong size of the SIM card tray. You gotta face it downwards, so that's on me. And now you should be able to see, it is so tiny, it is so hard for a camera to focus on it. Yep, here you have it, here you go. As you can see, the IMEI number 1, if I'm not mistaken, like the IMEI number that is responsible for the physical SIM card, is written or printed down here as well. And in the latter part of this video, I will also show what the IMEI number is good for, and will also show the easiest and most effective method to check and confirm the IMEI number. So before I do that, let me just go ahead and copy the IMEI number, my IMEI number, just to use it as a very, very convenient example. So, for example, can I copy from here? Yeah, probably not. Oh, that's fine. I know for sure that I will be able to copy my IMEI from settings. So here you go. Now open whatever web browser you prefer to use. I'll go with Safari. Then the web portal, the website that I'm about to enter is called IMEI, or well, not called, its URL is IMEI.Info. It is the world's best database that contains all the possible IMEI numbers that exist. So if you have an actual valid IMEI number, the IMEI.info website for sure knows about it. And if you will feed your IMEI number to this web portal or to this service, it will provide you with a lot of interesting details regarding your phone, such as its specifications, such as its model, useful information, and what IMEI number is most good for is to check whether the phone that the IMEI number in question is assigned to is stolen or not. Since if you lose your phone, you can address the competent services, well, police services usually, and they will mark your phone with your unique IMEI number as lost. Or if you, for example, buy a second-hand iPhone, you can use this web portal to check whether the phone that you're about to buy, its IMEI number, is marked as stolen or marked as lost. So that's a very good way to confirm and be extra sure that you will not be lied to by a buyer that sells you this second-hand or used iPhone. So anyway, let me just paste the IMEI number of my phone into this text field so I can show what information you can find. So it has been copied incorrectly. That's fine. I will just manually edit it. No problem. That's probably some clipboard thing. So since, as you can see, that is not a native iOS keyboard. So yeah, I would assume this happened due to clipboard malfunction. So it has been cut. The IMEI number has been cut off at 79. So I need to add the... So 7986, 2 digits are missing. That's fine. 86. Here you go. Now let's complete the CAPTCHA check. And as you can see, the details has gotten back to me proper. The phone model is correct. All the information and specification is correct also. Here you can run the carrier and lock status check, phone blacklist check, find my iPhone check, and those are the premium or top checks. There are also a pretty rich list of free checks as well. As you can see, there are some advanced checks that are paid for. And, well, here you can also report an error, report phone is stolen, or buy this phone if you're interested. And well, I guess that would conclude this video, guys. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, by the way, do not hesitate to leave them in the comment section below. But as for right now, that's it. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.